everyone, this is Melanie from Hooked to the Left, and today we're going to dig into some awesome Happy Mail. So let's go ahead and get started. Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. So today well actually it was a few days ago, received this package from Mandy, one of the Yarn Hookers fans. If you guys don't know what the Yarn Hookers are, why haven't you checked it out yet? There's a link up above to check out all of our live videos. There's a lot of informative stuff there, so make sure you don't miss it. We go live every Saturday at 5 p.m. Eastern time, and we would love for you to join us. Speaking of that, if you love all things yarn and crochet, then make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the bell so that you're reminded each time we come out with a brand new video. Anyway, let's get back to this Happy Mail that I received. I'm so excited to take a look at it. I intentionally did not watch. I think Ginger also received a box and she posted the video. I intentionally have not watched it because I want to be surprised with what is inside this box. Now I have cut the tape on it, but I haven't opened it yet. So that's what I'm gonna do now so that we can be excited and surprised together. So, oh, okay, so there is a little card here. It says Melanie from Hooked to the Left. So I'm going to take a look at this, read it really quick, and I may read it out loud, but we will see. Oh, I love the little sweater thing you put right there. That's so cute. That is so crazy. So you're right-handed, but you crochet left-handed because that's what your grandma taught you. Aw. Mandy, thank you so much. You are so sweet. I'm so glad that you love our content and you enjoy the Yarn Hookers. And I know I'm gonna love everything, but I'm opening it up now. Woohoo. Oh my gosh. Wow, this is so pretty. I love these colors. This is so packed, Mandy. Oh my gosh, you guys have to just see what I'm seeing here, okay? I got it. Look at that, you guys. Holy cow. What? It is so packed, Mandy. I'm so excited about this. Oh my gosh. Okay, so now I'm going to take out some of the top layer. I don't want to take out too much of it because I'm actually going to keep it in the box so I can keep it hair free. As much as I can anyway. But look at that maroon. Oh, and I think this is DK weight. I think it's DK weight. It looks like it's DK weight. Look at this. Oh. Look. Oh, okay. Okay, that is a gray. Oh, so pretty. Look what's underneath. Look at that orange. That is so pretty. I love that orange. So pretty. Oh my gosh. I can't wait. I don't want to take out too much because I'm gonna pack it back in here. Oh, you guys, I have of that orange. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 skeins of it, and these skeins look to be maybe because they're 3. It looks like it's a DK weight, so it looks to be like maybe 150 grams. I'm not real sure, but I think that all those orange skeins, I am certain I can get a nice shawl out of that. I am certain of that. And then these grays, which they're kind of like a bluish gray. Do you see that? This is so pretty, you guys. So pretty. And then of course this gorgeous maroon, which is a little bit heavier skein. It feels like anyway. So pretty. I'm packing this in here. I can't believe how much you stuffed in this box. What? Okay, now this is so cozy looking. Oh my god. Oh, I just want to pet it. Can I just pet it? It's my pretty little yarn ball. Aren't you such a pretty little yarn ball? Yes you are. You're so pretty. Look at that. I have to come up with a good plan because this is not going to frog well because of that halo. But that halo. What? What is this? I think this might be mohair. Is this mohair? Wow. And this looks like it is super fine. Like a 1 weight? What do you think? 1 weight? Oh my gosh, look how pretty. Wow, that would make an amazing shawl. I've got 4 skeins of this, and since it's a super fine 1 weight, you know I got a lot of yardage here. 4 skeins. 4 skeins. What? And then, oh, how pretty. Okay, I've got 4 skeins of this, of the chunky weight. This would make an amazing hat or scarf. I might do a scarf. But look at this, green. Scarf for next St. Patrick's Day maybe, right? What? Like my go-to St. Patrick's Day scarf, because that is the perfect green for St. Patrick's Day, right? And it's got that texture to it. Oh my goodness. It's got that texture to it. Gorgeous. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. It is so soft, you guys. So soft. Yeah, Mandy, you have just amazed me here. This gorgeous yarn, and when I get a chance to make something out of it, I'm actually going to pack it back up, put it in the box, and keep it in the box so it's nice and safe for my kitties that like to terrorize yarn. That's what I call it, is terrorizing the yarn. Yes, they terrorize my pet yarn balls. Anyway, I'm going to put it back in the box, squeeze it back in here, and put it up in the box so that it does not get pet hair on it. But Mandy, I am so thankful for this. Wow, I really love this. Thank you so much. You are so amazing. Yeah, this is probably, you know, I get a lot of amazing Happy Mail, but definitely Happy Mail. Thank you so much. Mwah, thank you. And you guys are all amazing. I really appreciate you joining me for the bloopers if you enjoy watching me hit myself in the head. You guys have an amazing day. Bye-bye. I need to see if I can lift that up for you. Oh, goodness gracious. Holy smokes. You guys. Oh, I just hit myself in the head. Okay, not a good idea to do that. All right, I got it.